This video is about changing the spark plug of engine. This is 2.4 liter GDI engine. This type of engines found on Kia and Hyundai vehicles. I am going to change the spark plugs of 2019 Kia Sorento. First move the engine cover. There is a foam insulation on back of engine cover. Foam insulation helps to reduce engine sound. Next, blowing dust by using a blower. Nice to blow the dust away. Generally, GDI engines makes more noise than non-GDI engines. Foam insulation around high pressure fuel pump helps to reduce the noise. In general, GDI vehicles have two fuel pumps. One fuel pump with the petrol tank. Next one is in the top of the engine. First, disconnect the electric plug to coil plug using a screwdriver to unlock the electric connector. Remove the connector by pressing. There is a spring action on connector. Next, removing the coil plug using 10 mm socket. This is the coil plug. There are marking of Kia Hyundai on coil plug. Coil plug manufacturer part number 273002GGA0. All coil plugs are removed. This is the new spark plug. NGK is the brand name and are made in Japan. Ruthenium HX is the type of spark plug. Read and understand the instructions on cover. Product type Ruthenium HX high ignitability spark plug. Spark plug gap is 0.044 inch. Sixteen mm spark plug socket is used. Spark plug from passenger side number 1. This is spark plug 4 from passenger side. Checking the old spark plug gap. I am using a boroscope inspection camera to check the 4 cylinders. That video will be uploaded in this channel, not with this video. I am going to upload the inside cylinder video on separate video. I am going to check all the spark plug gap before installing. This is how I am installing the spark plug. First screw in spark plug finger tight, then doing quarter turn using a wrench. I am doing this for all the spark plugs. I have half-inch drive ratchet and 16 mm socket plug. Reconnecting electric connections to coil plug. Install foam insulation pad on top of the high pressure fuel pump. Last, install the engine cover back to the engine.